So here's a quick look at this ashtray. It's in pretty bad condition. I don't like how they put the sticker here. I really don't like additional stickers. So instead of actually like dealing with cleaning all this up, I got a really nice ashtray, which I will be installing in place of that. So we'll get cleaned as well. And now I'm just gonna have to remove a couple of screws. This. So falling apart, sadly. To avoid cracking this piece, I'm gonna just remove all this assembly. So I'll start removing the shifter boot. Go up on it. Ready to install a new one. Alright guys, so I got this blower to come on. It's blowing. And I hot wire, or I'm checking there's a connector for it, and I'm just supplying power and ground from the battery right now to see if the blower is good. The blower is working. This is not a factory blower, guys, but it's working right now. It's what my main goal is to fix it and make sure that this blower is working. So blower is good, so that's a good thing. Yeah, get rid of that. And then next thing was gonna be trying to check the electrical part, why there's no command or what's going on. Okay, so here's the progress. I removed this kick panel, pushed out the cluster, removed this vent. I want to see why the blower is not working. And while at it, also notice this wire right here. Looks like it was melted. I think it's ground wire for something. Very crazy. Right there. I don't know what's up with that. Yeah, this is the progress. Everything torn apart here because I'm diagnosing this blower motor. Took out this switch right here. This was the problem initially. I sprayed a bunch of brake cleaner inside and letting it soak now because there's just a lot of dust. This connector goes to the resistor, so there's power going to this switch, the blower switch, but there was nothing coming out, nothing going here, nothing coming out of here on any of the pins when you switch this thing to a different position. So after cleaning it, now I'm getting something. Turn the ignition on. So now it's at 0 position, so this pin has power. So after moving the switch back and forth cleaning it, now I'm getting power that's coming out from the switch. Before that I was not getting power on any positions at all. Now if I go all the way to full power, let's see if I can try to do that. And this is full power. So now I'll be getting power on all 4 of these pins. And it's so difficult to show you. 1, 2, 3. And then at this switch, or at this connector, I'm also getting power now. Before that, there was nothing lit up at all. So I'm gonna connect this connector right there back to the, it's really hard to get to see where it goes, but it goes to the blower resistor. Guys, I'm going to show you the operation of the blower motor right now in all the positions. It's working just perfect. What I ended up doing is just soaked this whole thing, the switch assembly in WD-40, and kept moving it back and forth. And then at the end, I cleaned it with brake cleaner. All the contacts inside is actually really nice. Mercedes provided these slots right there for the blower, for this switch, so you can get in there and clean everything if needed without disassembling everything. And I'm going to show you how this works right now. So you can actually watch the blower motor if you want. So I'm going to click at the position. So this is position 4. It has 4 positions. So now I'm going to click it lower. One more lower. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Lowest setting now. Now off. A little bit sticky. I would have to like push down on it to engage. So actually didn't realize, but this thing is really nice. You can remove this cover, and then when you turn this knob,